Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video back on the extension build. And today we are doing some partition work, plasterboarding. We're going to get some doors in as well. So our concrete's all set and dried. We're going to have a look at this. This is the next day. Let's have a look at what it looks like. So this is our concrete. We've got solid concrete now. You can see up to level now of the existing house. You can see now we've got a step down now, like the original step used to have a step down that end of the house before. So we're high up now again. We've got our insulation to go in our rafters as well. We've got 100mm insulation, and then we're going to have another layer of insulation that's going to go over, but this one goes in between the rafters. And we've also got some stud in here as well to build a partition here for the bathroom. So it's going to be a busy day today. We've also got a door that we want to fit in here as well. So we're going to crack on with it and let's see how we get on.
So we started soldering on. We started firstly with this 1200 French door, and basically, yeah, simple. You've seen us do this many times before. We fitted the frame in, fitted it nicely. We used concrete screws for this. So basically, we screw through the door frame, which is PVC with aluminium encasing. So you've got to use a metal drill bit, screw a pilot hole first, and then we use a concrete bit and drill through that hole into the wall, and then we just screwed the concrete screws straight into the walls. We also used a few packers here and there just to make sure that everything was nice and straight. And with these doors, once you put the frame in, you literally just can hang them on quite easily. So we take them off to make it easier to fit first, and then we hook the panels back on, lock them on, and then you put your handles on your Euro locks and stuff like that. And yeah, these went in quite straightforward, and they're opening and closing really well, locking really well. So that was the first door. We also did a door on the side as well, which I didn't actually get to film because it's a tight little corner, but I'll probably show you guys that door tomorrow because I've got a little bit of brickwork to do on one side of that door. So we'll catch up with that one tomorrow.
Okay, open it now.
So the rest of the day we're working on building the partition wall for the bathroom. So we've just been framing that with 2x4 studding, quite straightforward stuff. And MJ's been working on the insulation, and now I'm just giving him a hand and giving him a little bit of a couple of lessons and a couple of tips on installing the insulation. So what we have with the insulation is we're doing 100mm between the rafters, and then I believe we're going 25mm over that, and then plasterboard or insulated plasterboard. So we are basically just cutting these in, fitting them between the rafters. We have a 50mm air gap behind where we've got noggins. Here, we basically drill loads of holes at the top, so there's a good airflow to go through. And yeah, once we fit these all in, then we'll do plasterboard on top, which will be tomorrow's job. And once that's done, we have an inspection, which is our penultimate inspection. They just want to see the insulation, and once we get the okay, we put in what they've asked us to put in, then we can plasterboard everything up, and then we're ready to skim. So this is pretty much where we got to today. It's been a bit of a manic day. We've been in and out, running all around, sorting out a lot of stuff. So we will be picking up the insulating tomorrow, and we will get all the insulation finished tomorrow. So the plan will be to finish the bits in between the rafters. All three of us will get on this together, and then we will be putting our secondary layer of insulation, and we're going to wrap that up tomorrow, and they will be ready for our inspection. So yeah, just a quick update really, just to show you guys what we've been up to today. As I said, we'll be back tomorrow, so we'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys.